Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the game that was played at Berlin tournament. So this is from semi-finals round 1. This is the game played between Nakamura and Richard Rapport. Nakamura is white, Rapport is black. So Nakamura started with pawn d4, then knight f6, c4, e6, knight c3, pawn d5. Then this is queen's gambit declined, pawn takes, this is exchange variation. Bishop g5, c6, queen c2, bishop e7, e3, knight b d7, bishop d3. All this is just theory. Knight h5. So now the bishops get exchanged. Then white long castle, knight b6, h3, g6, knight f3, knight g7. So as the knight was there on the h5 and we know that knight on the side is not good. So black is trying to reroute the knight. In pawn g4, white has started attacking on the king side. Bishop e6, knight e2, long castle by black, king b1, king b8. Both the players are making sure that their kings should be extra safe. Then rook to c1, knight e8, knight f4, knight d6, pawn a4, knight d to c4. Now here white has played amazing move, that is pawn to a5. So white is trying to sacrifice the pawn. White is giving the pawn sacrifice. So let's say if black takes the pawn, then white has the plan to play queen c5. Then if queen takes, d takes, then the knight on b6 has to move. Let's say it goes on d7 and pawn to b4, attacking the knight, and knight has to come on c4, and then just bishop takes, pawn takes, knight g5, and here white is doing very nice. Okay, so going back, as he has not accepted this pawn sacrifice, black was doing this thing. So he just played queen to b4, then queen c3, queen takes a5, queen takes, knight takes. Now knight to g5, okay, attacking on the bishop. There is too much pressure on the bishop. Knight d f8, and here white played a very amazing sacrifice. Bishop takes g6. Okay, here obviously f pawn cannot take because then this will be hanging. And here if let's say h takes, then knight takes bishop anyway. Then if pawn takes, then knight takes, and this is a fork. So this is still good for white as there are these passers on the king side. So white is having very comfortable position here. So here after bishop takes, black played knight to b3, then knight takes, bishop comes anyway, then pawn takes. Now knight takes, h7 pawn attacking on the rook, and rook fg8, bishop d3, knight c1, king to c1. Now the thing is, although is exchange down, white is exchange down, but these two passers are very strong. So here black played rook g7, knight f6, rook f7, g5. So here black just took the knight, pawn takes, because he want to take that pawn also. So he just gave back his exchange, but in return he eliminated one of the passed pawn of white. So pawn h5, knight h6, but still white is in control here. King d2, king c7, king e2. White is activating his king. Actually both the players are activating their king. King to g4, king f6, rook h3, knight c8, rook f3, king g7, bishop to g6, knight d6, king g5, e5. Black is also trying to push the pawns from the queen side. Rook f4, knight e4 check, and here bishop takes, pawn takes, and when rook takes the pawn, white got one additional pawn. Rook f6, pawn f4, rook f5 check, king g4, rook b5 attacking the b pawn of white. So white just took the e6 pawn, e4 check, king h6, and rook to e8. Now black took the pawn. Now black also has this passers coming up, but white is already in the lead. Okay, white is currently this position looks favorable for white, as white has already started to push the pawns, and white can reach the end easily. Rook h8, king g7, rook a8, b5 to give support to the pawn, then pawn e4, rook a2, rook a7 check, king h6, rook a6 attacking the c6 pawn. So king just moved, but here one time Nakamura and Rapport repeated. Then pawn to e5, b4, e6, pawn b3, king f5. Here the advantage for white is his king is so much active, so that's why king is helping the pawn to get promoted, and the rook is stopping the black pawns. So rook a1, rook b6, rook e1, king f6, rook to e4, pawn e7, rook takes, king e5, rook f1, king d6, rook e1, then king to d7. So black gives this pawn so that the d file gets opened. So pawn takes, rook gives check, king c7, rook e1, king d6, rook d1, king to c6. Now rook e1 and white played rook to b4. White is telling that okay, take my pawn, I will take your pawns. So pawn b2, rook just took, and here takes, and rook a2, and here black resigned and Nakamura won the game. Hope you have enjoyed this game. Nakamura played very nicely in the end game. Actually in the middle game also he was having a very good position. So hope you have enjoyed this game. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.